Here's how to make simple vegan banana pancakes. Start by adding a full ripe banana to a bowl. Using a fork, mash the banana until completely smooth. Now you want to add 2 cups of whole wheat flour to the bowl. Gluten-free flour or oat flour will also work for this recipe. Now you want to add 2 cups of almond milk. Again, oat milk, soy milk, or any vegan milk will basically work for this simple recipe. To make these simple banana pancakes nice and fluffy, you want to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Up next, you want to add a little bit of salt to the batter. We used pink Himalayan sea salt, but basically any salt will work for this recipe. Up next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. We love this 100% pure Canadian maple syrup in our banana pancakes, and here we go. Using a whisk, you now want to combine all the ingredients until a nice and smooth banana pancake batter is formed. Now heat a well-oiled pan over medium heat and add 1/4 a cup of the batter to the center. We're big fans of oil-free cooking, but it's a little difficult to prevent sticking for this recipe, so if you have a really good non-stick pan, that might work as well. You're going to want to cook the pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes per side. For this simple banana pancake recipe, we also love to add in chocolate chips or fruit. You can do that right on the pancake batter so you can customize based on what each of your guests like. Now you just want to give your pancake a nice flip, and you're just going to repeat all of these steps until your pancake batter is used up. This recipe makes around 6 or 7 large fluffy pancakes, and it's enough to feed probably around 2 to 3 people. You can find the full recipe on our blog at plantu.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you press the subscribe button. We're going to be releasing a lot more whole food, plant-based recipes like these simple, delicious vegan banana pancakes. Everyone have a wonderful day.